Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you my squishies. So first, this swirl, this, this glitter dumpling. I'm trying to go a bit fast because I have like a time limit. Oh no, this cheese squishy, Minecraft squishy. This fuzzball needle. This glitter glue dumpling. You can't really see the glitter. Oh, here's the glitter, but yeah, it's glitter. I promise. This sugar scrub bear. This gross green, me and my friend call it that for some reason. But it's honestly a really nice squishy. This squeezy butter. Got it at Target. This RMS dumpling, which means it's real. RMS means it's real. Not every single dumpling is real. Like this isn't a real dumpling, it's just a knockoff. And then this knockoff dumpling I just showed you. My friend left it at my house. She took my green glitter and gave me her green glitter with a face. Mine didn't have a face. And then she took my unicorn squishy because she gave me the unicorn squishy for a jumbo nice tea that I didn't even like because it's barely even a squishy. This limited edition Neato swirl. This mini dumpling. So the part 2, there's going to be a part 2 of this, and I'm going to show you my Pokemon cards. So I actually brought these down here first, and I don't know why. I already have a duck, but I'm trading it to my friend, and it barely has any boost, barely has eyes, so it's just a yellow airless thing. Yeah, the air is taken out. But this one, it's better, and I'm keeping it. This chicken, duck, whatever it is. This Neato swirl. Okay, this, it's not a real squeezy, but I believe it is. My sister said it's not. Anyways, this Bomb Pop squeezy. I swear it's a squeezy. If it's not, like, what is it then? A squeeze bird? But yeah, bye guys.